So, I often visit the Goodwill outlet bins near me, and I'm always on the lookout for like cute, tiny little trinkets, and they're always on the bottom of the bins because like nobody just wants to look there. They're there for the bigger, more valuable stuff. But one of the things that I found, and I'll probably do another video on just all of the tiny things that I found, because I've got quite a little collection brewing. But anyway, I found this cute little, let's see if you can see the size, Rubik's Cube. And as you may, let me scooch this back a little bit, you may notice that I'm making good progress on actually solving it. I was watching a YouTube tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube, and I was following along. But as you can see, I have one problem, and that is this little square here. I have to get into this spot, and this one has to go over here. So, I mean, it is pretty challenging. I like the challenge, but I also like the little noises that it makes, like these kind of little plasticky clicking sound. I'm not really sure how to categorize it, but I don't want to do anything to like mess up my progress, so I'm not gonna play with it too much. But I did want to just do a short little video of some mini Rubik's Cube sounds. And I hope my mic is working. I have it hooked up to directly into my phone. I don't have my headphones in, so I can't tell how loud that was. But yeah, this is kind of like a little test video to see how it turns out having my phone connected directly to the microphone. Usually the way I record is I connect this microphone to my laptop that's off camera right there, and then I use my phone as like a wireless webcam with using a website called I think it's vid.ninja or vido.ninja, something like that. And you can use your phone as a wireless webcam. But yeah, this is gonna be a shorter video, debating whether to do a longer video with just the little noises from all my little trinkets. I like really soft clicking noises. Kind of like that, but also just the way the pieces kind of just move against each other. I like that noise too. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Under 10 minutes, I'm sure. But also one day I will solve this cube. It's been on my little to-do list for a while now, but every time I always end up frustrated. But I will conquer the cube. More of the little rotation sounds. Let's see, I'll get it back to where it was. There we go. There's the little problem piece. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you all have a good evening, morning, afternoon, and I will catch you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.